Hello friends, now we will go for very simple topic, matrices. You know what is the meaning of the matrices? What actually matrices stands for? I just say this is just like an almirah where the goods are kept. Just see here. It is just like this almirah. I'm writing here. This is first row, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is first column. This is second row, this is second column. Because these are the goods of Monu, these are the goods of Sonu. This is the rack where books are kept, and this is the rack where clothes are kept. Okay, so if I just say where the clothes of Monu kept, you will come Monu's column and row of clothes. So it is 4 here. If I say Sonu's book, you will come to Sonu's column and the books row. It is coming out to be 3. This is just a simple thing how we make use of the matrices. Why matrices are used? We have to understand here in class 10 how to form the matrices and the basic operations of matrices. Now, I just said you these horizontal things known as rows and columns. The first thing you should know how the matrices are characterized. Matrices are characterized by its order. And what is order of a matrix? The important first thing you are learning today is number of rows into number of columns. If a matrix is of format 3 into 2, the number of rows are 3 and the number of columns are 2. What does this mean? If I have to just write 3 into 2, this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. So how many rows are here? 3. And how many columns are here? 1, 2. Vertical things, column. Horizontal thing, rows. Be very much clear. So matrices to be identified like this. Now I'm just writing 1, 5, 7. Can you tell me the order of this matrix? Just try. See, 1 row is there. So 1 into, count the columns. 1, 2, 3. 1 into 3. Another thing I'm writing 5, 6, 9. Now tell what's the order of that matrix? Rows 1, 2, 3. Firstly go for rows. So 3 rows into, and the columns? Just 1 column. So 3 into 1 order. So order of matrix is very easy to find. Now how to find the elements of matrices? Suppose an element of a matrix is characterized by Aij is equal to I plus j whole square. What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this, you know, the first, I'm just writing a matrix. This is 1, 1. First row, first column. Can you tell me this? 1, 2. This is 1, 3. This is 2, 1. This is 2, 2. This is 2, 3. Like that, the things goes on. Suppose I have to form a 2 into 2 matrix. That is a square matrix whose elements are being represented in this formula. So, it is a 2 into 2 matrix. So, how many elements? 4 elements. What is it? A11, A12, A21, A22. So I can find the elements very easily. A11 can be found out. Just see here, I'm doing A11 will be according to that formula. For I have taken 1. For J, I have taken 1. And we are getting A11. So it will be 1 plus 1 whole square, which is coming out to be 4. So 1 element is 4. Now I need to find A12. A12 is going to be I is 1 and J is 2. So this is 1 plus 2 whole square coming out to be 9. So here it is 9. A21 same way we can find. A22 we can find. So we can find the elements very easily if the formula is given. Once we know the designation of this element is A11, this A12, like this A21, A22, this. Now we will see the equation of two matrices. That means two matrices are equal. This means that each and every corresponding element will be equal. Suppose two matrices are equal. It is x, y, 2, 5 is equal to 1, 4, 2, 5. What does this mean? That everything should be equal if equality sign is holding good. That means x should be 1. You can find easily x is equal to 1 and y is coming out to be 4. Same way some problems are like this. If it is like this and it is given as a plus b and this is given a minus 2b like this, okay, and the two matrices are equal. What they are giving us? They are giving us a plus b will be equal to 1 and a minus 2b will be equal to 4. So we can solve them simultaneously and can get the values of a and b. So this is all about the equality of matrices. Now we will see the addition and subtraction operation of the matrices. If two matrices are added, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, and another is 5, 3, 1, 6 like this. If we have to add two matrices, the corresponding elements are added in the case of addition and subtracted in the case of operation of subtraction. So the resultant of this will be, can you tell me? 1 will be added to 5, so 6. 2 will be added to 3, so 5. 3 will be added to 1, so 4. This 4 will be added to 6. That is coming out to be 10. So this is very basic addition of the matrices. Suppose I need to find a matrix. This is the resultant and this is given and the result is given, and we need to find this matrix. This is A, this is B, this is C, and it is given that A plus B is equal to C. Find B. If I need to find B, what I will do? I have seen that matrix A is of order 2 into 2. C is also of 2 into 2. So the order of B will be 2 into 2. Because the like matrices can only be added. If a matrix is 2 into 2 order and another 2 into 3 matrix and another is 2 into 2, we cannot add. We cannot add it. So for addition and subtraction of the matrices, their order should be same. Be careful. So this should be B, we need to find B should be of 2 into 2 order. Though 4 elements should be there. So I will write this as X, Y, U, V like that. Just go for what they are saying in the question. You will get the value of the unknown thing very easily. So if you just write on addition, it will come out to be 1 plus X. This is 2 plus Y. This is 3 plus U. And this is 4 plus V is equal to the given thing here, C. Now A plus B is equal to C. Now equate the things. Basic equation. 1 plus X is 6. So x is coming out to be 5. 2 plus y is 5. 2 plus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 3. Same way you can get the other variables. So wherever we need to find any matrix unknown, we take it in that fashion, x, y, u, v, if it is 2 into 2 order. If of different order, we take it accordingly. Now we should know what happening if a scalar is multiplied to a matrix. Suppose a matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4, a scalar 3. Suppose 3, k, 5, lambda, anything is multiplied to a matrix. That element is multiplied to each and every element of the matrix. So 3 will be multiplied to each and every. So the thing you are seeing here, when we have to multiply a scalar, that will be multiplied to all the elements, and the vice versa. If we have to take something common, we have to take common from all the elements. See here, I am multiplying here, it is coming out to be 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, now if I want to take something common, I have to take common from each and every element. Suppose I am taking 3 common here, so it is coming out to be 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So scalar multiplication is clear. Another thing you should know, identity matrix, that is unit matrix. Unit matrix is that matrix where diagonal elements are 1 and other elements are 0. That is unit matrix. This is known as I, symbolized as I. Sometimes they write I2. I2 means identity matrix of second order. If I need to write identity matrix of third order, no problem. Just 3 diagonal elements are 1 and rest elements are 0. Now the most important thing we are going to do, the multiplication of matrices. See, 2 matrices can be multiplied only when it is in the fashion this. That means number of columns of first matrix should be equal to number of rows of the second matrix. Then only multiplication is possible. See, first criteria. Now you tell me, 3 into 2 can be multiplied to 3 into 2. Can it be multiplied to? No, because this 2 and 3 should be equal, and that is not equal here. Now if I say 1 into 3 is multiplied to 3 into 1, is it possible? Yes, you will say, because this is equal. So first thing in the multiplication of the matrices is to identify whether multiplication is possible or not possible. So the thing I say, I just write in this fashion, first matrix in m into n order, second in n into p. The result of the multiplication will be in the fashion m into p. That is very important thing you should know. Inner circle should match and outer thing, extremes, is giving us the resultant of the matrix. See, one example I am taking. Our matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4. What's the order? Can you tell me? 2 into 2. Another matrix I am taking 4, 5. What's the order? This is 2 into 1. Is the multiplication possible? Yes, because this 2 is matching. Can you tell me the result of the matrix? The result of the matrix is 2 into 1 order. So be confident in whether the multiplication is possible and what will be the order of the resultant matrix. Now how multiplication is carried out, that I am telling you. See, the first row is multiplied to first column. In local language we say it is multiplied in the formation of 7. So first row with the first column, how? 1 into 4 plus 2 into 5. Now the second row is multiplied to this column. So what will be that? 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5. So the result is, see here, 14, and this is 12 and 20, 32. See, the order of the resultant is 2 into 1. Suppose this is the question. Matrix A is given, matrix B is given, and we need to find matrix A. Firstly, we need to find the order of the matrix, then we will find what is the value of the matrix. So, we have to just write AX is equal to B. 2 is not going to change the order of the matrix. So, A's order is 2 into 2. B's order is 2 rows and 1 column. What should be the order of X? Tell me. If you just follow this thing, m into n is equal to n into p is equal to m into p. So, what you are finding? N is 2. So, order of X, this is X, okay, is 2 into, and what is P? P is 1. So, order of matrix X is 2 into 1. Be careful, if you just follow this basic thing and whatever is missing you find out from here, your things will be very easy. See here, M is 2, N is 2, and here we need N and P, so N is 2. And what is P? This is M into P, so 2 into 1, so P is 1. So we decided that order of the matrix is 2 into 1. Now you proceed. A is 2, A is 2, 3, 0, minus 2. X, we need to find 2 rows and 1 column. Can I take it as AB? You can take XY, anything, UV, AB. 2 rows, 1 column. We need to find AB is equal to, B is minus 8, 8. Just proceed the operation. If I multiply this 2 to here, it is coming out to be 4, 6, minus 4. Is it? 2 is multiplied to each and every element of the matrix. Don't think that 2 will be multiplied to this as well as this. No, multiplication, basic thing we know, it is to be multiplied to one thing, not both things, not the plus case. Okay, be careful. So, on multiplication, just have information like this. It is coming out to be 4A plus 6B. Is it? First row with first column. Okay, now the turn of the second row. Second row will be 0 into A is 0 minus 4B is equal to minus 8, 8. So, now equate the corresponding elements. 4A plus 6B is equal to minus 8 and minus 4B is equal to 8. So, B is coming out to be minus 2 here. You just put the value of B here. This is 4A minus 12 is equal to minus 8. So, 4A is equal to 4 and A is equal to 1. So, we got the value of A and B. So, matrix X will be 1 minus 2. In this way, we can find the value of any unknown matrix by simply following the multiplication rule of the matrices. So, wherever you go for multiplication, be careful like this. And the multiplication process is first row, first column, first row, second column, second row, first column, second row, second column. Like that, the process goes on. Follow it carefully. Hope your matrices are now becoming very, very easy for you. Thank you.